Hello and welcome everyone, MrCARman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Mercedes-Benz Eclass W210 and how to change out the battery. Most car batteries are underneath the hood or maybe in the trunk, but on the W210s it's underneath the rear seat, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how easily we can access it in a couple of minutes. So we're going to start off by removing the rear seat. And also, to make this job easier, I'm going to move the front seats up. So both sides are going to have a locking mechanism. On this side, you're going to go here towards the door panel and locate this little opening right here. All you're going to do is lift this white piece up and pull the seat up. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Lift up, just like that. Once it's lifted, you're going to just slide the seat outward and it'll come right out. With the rear seat out of the way, our battery is now exposed, and now all we have to do are remove the battery terminals, open a couple screws, and the battery is going to come right out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more videos on the W210, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.